What is up and welcome to another video. Bitcoin returned to 38,000, best monthly close since April 2022. And another prediction or another good news, Securities and Exchange Commission spot Bitcoin ETF approval window set for January 5th until the 10th of January. So we need to keep an eye on this, guys. Join me today for the another live stream. Today's Friday, December 1, start of the month.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
How are you doing today, guys? It's Friday. We're approaching the weekend and Bitcoin is pumping to 38,800. Have you watched the speech of Jerome Powell today? So market is still dovish and still don't know what to do. Hi, Shell. We have Luna Leon joining us today and Frostly Gaming on YouTube. We have also, we're doing live simultaneously on Facebook and Twitter. So let's check what is going on today with the overall crypto markets. Terra Classic or Luna is pumping today up by 21%. Bitcoin is trading at $38,000. Best monthly close this month of November since April 2022, guys. We have also Madrick, bro, addicted to all my fellas. This is the best.
All my fellas. All my fellas.
All right, so Bitcoin is at 38,000. Ethereum is still holding this trade, guys, for almost a week now. I'm still expecting 2,300. Why can't we just push the price to 2,300 so that we can take profit and we can enjoy our Santa rally? December 1. All right. BNB is still looking weak, guys. I'm still holding my short position for BNB. XRP is up by 1% today. Market is still very undecisive after the Jerome Powell speech today. Tron still moving on sideways. Chainlink, Avalanche, Polygon Matic is up by 3% today. So let's check out some of the news before we move on to the chart. And if you have any chart request, guys, leave let me know in the comment section or in the chat section down below. We have also Emmanuel joining us today. Hello. Yeah, he loves that sound. Bitcoin sees best monthly close in 19 months as BTC price taps 38K. And right now we are almost at $39,000, guys. And Bitcoin is still trading inside the ascending parallel channel. And we might see a correction soon, according to El Capo of Crypto. What? I will show you the post today, his post on his Telegram group, and let me know your thoughts, guys. Are we seeing are we expecting a correction this December? BTC price strength endures the end of November. Bitcoin beginning the new month with a trip towards the top of its local range. So I will show you, I've prepared several charts today. BTC, ETC, Solana, Ethereum. Of course, I'm still watching the bonus chart that I've shared with you this week. Hopefully we can get that 100% pump. ARB, please. So according to this article, guys, this is the best, or the Bitcoin returned to 38,000 on December 1. That's today. The November monthly close became its best since April 2022. Wow, that was a long time. And right now, everybody is celebrating. And we are seeing very high expectation in the market, like this one right here. Another bullish news, by the way. Securities and Exchange Commission, I think this is the main reason that is driving the Bitcoin's price. And I think, in my own opinion, I think we are going to see a sell the news event, guys. Because I think this Bitcoin spot ETF is already priced in to the Bitcoin's price. And if the spot ETF will be approved this January 10th, 5th to 10th of January, then we might see a sell the news event, buy the rumor, sell the news event, in my own opinion. Because the market is just going crazy right now. It's just continuing to move up. Bitcoin is unstoppable. With anticipation hitting up over the eventual ruling, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC spot Bitcoin ETF approval window is set to be between 5th to 10th of January. Indeed, Bloomberg James Seyffart confirmed the dates and when we could hear a decision from the agency. So mark this on your calendar because we could ride the waves. Once we see a sell the news event, that could be a very good opportunity. If I'm right. If I'm wrong, then we could get wrecked. Another super bullish news from CoinSpeaker. According to this article, published 5 hours ago, Matrix report, Bitcoin price to hit 125,000 by the end of 2024. What do you think of this target, guys? Is this achievable? If you're going to if you're going to zoom out, my target for the 2025 bull market, 2024, 2025 bull market will be around, I'm very conservative, guys. I will take profit ahead of time. And I'm not going to be greedy. So I will be taking profit around, I will start to take profit around $69,000 to $80,000, and I'm gonna fully close maybe around $90,000 to $100,000. I'm gonna fully close my trade. I don't care if Bitcoin goes to 125 or to $150,000 in the next bull market, as long as I have already made 16. That's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 5x from my initial investment. That's good enough. So according to Matrix Port, Bitcoin could rise to its current all-time high by April. So they are very specific of the dates here. By April, that's just a few months from now. January, February, March, April. That's like 4 months from now. And hit 125,000 by the end of 2024. So that is like 12 months from now, guys. That is like a year from now. So if Bitcoin could hit 125, the current price is still very, very cheap. If you're going to zoom out and if your target is for long term, and if this target will happen by the end of 2024, then that's already a very good return. You will not get this kind of return in any traditional investment or bank. Another one here is according to Il Capo of Crypto. So today he posted this in the Telegram group. Let me know your thoughts, guys, in the comment section. 38,500 reach. So today Bitcoin, this is Bitcoin's price, guys, still trading inside this parallel channel. All right, and according to this, based on this channel, rising, ascending parallel channel, this is usually the exit here. So take profit, we'll start to buy back near the support, we'll sell near the resistance trend line. So if you're trading the range, this is still trading inside this channel, guys. See, we got a bounce here. This is still inside the channel, and we are still forming higher lows, several higher lows here. So the trend is still our friend until it ends. And let's go back to the post from El Capo of Crypto. What I expect now. So I think if you are following him, has been shorting Bitcoin since $16,000. What I expect now, slow bleed for BTC, Ethereum going a bit higher to 2,200. So I hope that Bitcoin would continue to pump up until 2,300 because that's our target. But maybe that would not be the case now. So some altcoin having the last pumps, the big dump to 30,000 up to 31,000. Which altcoin dumping about 30 to 40%? That would be the beginning of the capitulation event. So what do you think of this post, guys? He's pretty confident about this target, and we might see a dump. I don't know what's the invalidation because previously his narrative is still not yet invalidated from $16,000 to $38,000. Let's look at the chart, guys. So I think, by the way, let's jump into Jerome Powell first. Fed Chair Jerome Powell calls talk about cutting rates premature and says more hikes could happen. So these are the key points today about Jerome Powell's speech, guys. Federal Reserve Jerome Powell on Friday pushed back on market expectation for aggressive interest rate cuts ahead. So according to Powell, don't expect too much, guys. We're not cutting rates. It's still very much premature to do that as of the moment. It would be premature to conclude with confidence that we have achieved a sufficiently restrictive stance or to speculate on when policy might ease, according to Powell. However, the market gave some credence to the idea that Fed at least is done hiking as the string of rate hikes since March 2022 have cut into economic activity. Powell noted that inflation is moving in the right direction. So I think they're doing a good job in easing the inflation. Market largely took Powell's comment as dovish, with stock up and treasury yields down sharply. So still very undecisive, guys. Still very undecisive, but they're doing a good job, and they are on the right track. But there is a bad news right now that I don't know what's the severity or about this news. What is mystery virus spreading through China? And how India is preparing. So according to this article, there is a new virus, guys. And if this is true, then we might see a possible catastrophic event. We don't wish for that one because COVID was horrific. COVID times, at the peak of COVID, that was a very horrific event and lifestyle and also all of that restrictions that we get during COVID. It's really, really bad. India has issued a directive urging states to review their readiness and put their health infrastructure on alert. So there is, according to this article, there is a new respiratory illness across China has brought back memories of early days of COVID, which had also emerged as a mysterious pneumonia. The new virus has already hit several schools in China, but government claims that no unusual or novel pathogens have been detected. I hope they can manage this new virus, and I hope they can control it, and I hope it doesn't spread across the world. So before we jump into the chart, we have several chart requests here, ARB and GFT and USTC. USTC is actually pumping, guys. Pumping really hard. So let's check liquidation heat map. We have a huge liquidation at around 39,056 for Bitcoin, guys. This is the 3 day time frame. So we have a huge liquidation at $39,000. So the Bitcoin's price could actually tap into that area, and that is in confluence with the top of the parallel channel here. So this will be the exit here. If you are holding your long position, this will be the exit here and could possibly the main resistance for this parallel channel, guys. This is around 39,500 up to $39,600 for Bitcoin. So right now I'm not trading Bitcoin. I'm just scalping few small moves here, but I am looking at this very specific level here. I'm not longing it at the current level. I'm just holding my spot position. I'm holding it for long term from $16,000. I'm still holding my spot position. I have moved my Bitcoin out of the exchanges for safety reasons, guys. Always safety first if you are in crypto, because you don't know what could happen. Like FTX was unexpected. Nobody expected that would happen to FTX. So this could be the tapping point and the exit for long position. I have already closed several long positions that I'm holding, but I am still holding my Ethereum trade. It's been almost 2 weeks, I believe. I'm holding my trade since 1,900. I am still expecting Ethereum to hit 2,200 at least. Today, I think we have hit $2,100 for Ethereum. So for Bitcoin, guys, let's check the fear and greed index, by the way. So fear and greed index is almost in the greed level. We are in the greed level for almost a month, guys. And possibly we might see a correction soon. Kapu could be right. This is on the greed level for almost a month now. So let's check the datas here. So CMC Crypto Fear and Greed Index. So we are near the extreme greed level, guys. So we might see a market could be exhausted. And again, as what I've said, I'm expecting a sell the news event. Buy the rumor, sell the news event about the possible Bitcoin ETF approval. So let's proceed with the charts. And by the way, all charts and TA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. All right, let's move on to the charts, guys.
All my fellas. All my fellas.
So looking at Bitcoin, I'm expecting a possible resistance here at around 39,500 up to 39,600. This will be the top of this rising parallel channel, and we are still forming higher lows here. But we have a several bearish divergence on the oscillator in the 4-hour time frame, and the oscillator is almost in the overbought area. Let's check the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, several bearish divergence forming in the oscillator. We still have few gas left here. So Bitcoin could still pump up to this level here, 39.5 to 39.6. We have a super bullish candle on the daily time frame, guys. Super bullish candle. So we could see possibly this kind of price action here. So let's go back to the 4-hour time frame chart. So based on the previous price action, Bitcoin bounce near the support level, then we might see this kind of drop here. So similar, we might see a possible pump up to 39,500, then a drop to this level. We have this order block in confluence with the support trend line. Let's see once the price reach this level, if this level will hold as a support. For now, we are trading this range here. So this is around, we are just 2% away from this resistance level. And this total range is around 5%. So for now, I will be focusing only on this level here. If you are trading leverage, this will be the trading range for Bitcoin. Resistance at around 39,600 and support at 37,100. Once we break that support, then that's a time we are going to look at a possible short position up to 31,000. We have a fair value gap here from 31,200 up to $33,000 for Bitcoin. And for ETC, I am looking at this chart, a possible breakout here, but still no volume, guys, no volume for ETC. We have this very high order block level, 2.17 million ETC positions are waiting on this level. Limit orders, sell orders, or sell pressure at around this area, guys, 19.4 up to 19.6. Risk to reward ratio almost 50, 52.5% risk versus 4% reward on this trade. So we'll see if this will play out. I have shared with you several charts on my TradingView account, and most of them have already played out in the previous day. So congratulations if you were able to get into those trades, guys. So I think we have hit our target here. So from this level, Solana is still consolidating, moving on a sideways channel. If this continues to move for several days, then we might see a possible continuation of trend up to $66. We have previous OB level here, but now all of those resistances and limit orders are gone. And on the 4-hour time frame, we have a small bearish divergence here. I would not be trading at around this level. For me, this is a no trade zone. Super high risk to trade at around this level. Possible breakout play, but I will not be trading this level, guys. I would wait for a possible short, maybe at around this area here, at around 67. That would be a safer short entry for me. And for the support, I will be looking at the lower channel or a possible breakout to the downside here. For now, I will be staying on sideline for Solana. I have already taken my profit here for this 5% move. For Ethereum, guys, I'm still holding my trade for Ethereum from $19,000. If you are in our Discord community, we have been trading Solana from $15,000 or from $1,500. And right now, we have this previous bull flag here. We have already taken profit from this trade, and another, we are speculating on this possible bull flag target up to $2,300. So this was the yesterday's long position for Ethereum. So today we are up by a few percent, 4%. Price is seeing some resistance on this level, 2,100. We have medium order block resistance zone here, 129K. Ethereum position is on this level. So the price is seeing some resistance, sell pressure on this area. But overall, this is still in an overall uptrend and looking very bullish, guys.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
So for Ethereum, I'm still expecting a possible breakout up to 2,300, guys. I will be taking profit probably around 2,136, and I will be holding the rest of it at 2,300. I'm still holding all my spot. I'm holding it for long term up to 2025. I'm not selling any of my position in spot. I have sold some of my Bitcoin at around $35,000, but I still have the bunch of it fully intact for long term. So let's check some of the chart requests here. We have ARB, GFT, and USTC. All right, so let's check. By the way, let me show you some of the trades in our Discord group. So for ETC, I'm still expecting this target right here up to 19.6. This was the previous trade for Solana. We have already taken profit from at $61.8 for Solana. We have already closed the trade. That was a scalp trade. This was the entry, guys, and here's the update for Solana, 218%. We have closed the long position, 5% gain. And for Ethereum, this was the previous trade posted in our Discord group. So 2000 to 2060, we have hit the TP2 for Ethereum, guys. And if you want to join our Discord community, head on to Patreon. We have also this free public Telegram group, which I'm sharing most of the charts that we are discussing during the stream, and also I'm sharing most of the updates here. And we had very good month for month of November. That was a pretty good month. And also, if you want to copy my trades, you can head on to FairDesk. Here are the latest statistics for copy trade. And also, this level, 39,000, remains the major resistance for Bitcoin. This is actually in confluence with our chart, guys. So let's move on to ARB. And by the way, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Target daily is 30 likes. Help me reach 30 likes daily. I would really appreciate all your support if we can reach 30 likes. So far, we are seeing 31 likes. That's okay. That's okay. In the next bull market, we're going to see a range. It's pretty huge range for, let's check the weekly. We have a bullish divergence actually here. I think we have seen a similar chart for this one. Let me check perpetual. Oh, this one. So for ARB, we have this support and resistance. So very high order blocks here. 78 million and 20 million support. Oh, this is about to break out. We have this wicks here. We have a possible bull flag actually, but the range is too big. So this is about to break out, guys. But the oscillator is already in the overbought area, 4-hour time frame. We have this resistance here, 19.3 million and 6.7 million at around $1. Let's check the possible risk to reward ratio, 4% versus 6%. This will be the short-term trading range, guys. For ARB, I would wait for the oscillator to, let's check the daily time frame. So we have a bullish divergence here on the daily time frame, but the volume is not there. Volume is missing to push the price higher. Oh, we have this previous resistance here. All right. Let me just clear this one out. So looking at the daily time frame, this could be our target here. All right. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. So possible price action for ARB. This will be our major resistance here, and this will be our take profit zone for ARB, guys. Again, all charts and TA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. So you could take some profit around this area. Order block, we have order block here, resistance also. But the price on the daily time frame could still revisit this area, guys. So if you can wait for the price to hit this support here, because the oscillator on the 4-hour time frame is already in the overbought area, so we might see a possible correction here, but this is a small percentage right now. This is just 2%. But this could be a better entry, and you could limit your risk to 4% versus 10% reward. So let's see if this will play out in the coming days. For ARP, that would be 4 days and 8 hours according to this indicator, forecast indicator. So this would be my trade setup for ARP, guys. Again, not a financial advice. This is just purely probability according to what we see on the chart. So I'm going to share this in our Discord group. And of course, you can check out this chart in our free public Telegram group. The link is on the description down below. And let's check as well GFT. Let's all smash that like button. Sharp rising, Matt Jr. Lightning price, everyone is bullish. We have also Matt Jr. joining us today, SEO Sharp Rising 3.5 after posting 5 minutes ago, crude. But unfortunately, we're not trading commodities and stocks. We're only trading gold as the commodity and majority cryptos. So we'll check on Lancelot Cano is late today, late. GFT and USDC. I think we're over time. We still have 4 minutes. Let's go on and check GFT, guys. GFT. Let's check, by the way, this crypto market RSI overbought in the 4-hour time frame. Let's check if we can do some quick trades. Where is the 15-minute time frame? So here, majority is BingX. Big time longs are entering right now. BingX. Let's check out BingX very quickly, guys. BingX. I think this is bumping right now. BingX. Oh, look at that. Going crazy. This is about to break out. Possible breakout play here. But this is right now on price discovery. BingX. So this is almost about to break out from its previous all-time high. Let's see what will be the possible target for the Fibonacci extension. Let's measure it from this one here. So next possible targets and resistances For this one, will be 0.11 target. Breakout play target. I'm not trading this one, but the price is already breaking out. Possible short squeeze here. We have a huge order block at around this level. So this will be an ideal breakout target according to the Fibonacci extension level. Purely, highly speculative trade. All right, let's move on to GFT. GFT. Where is there a perpetual contract on Binance? Oh, this is going crazy. 4-hour time frame in Bitget. Not really advising to trade altcoins like this. Super high risk to trade. Majority, most of the time, TA will not work on this kind of altcoins. So this will be the next resistance for GFT, guys. Personally, I would not trade this kind of chart. Oscillator is still looking very bullish. I would not short on this level, but instead I'm gonna be looking at a possible price action once the price reach this level here. But personally, I would not really trade this chart. Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci retracement here. So 61.8. We don't have other. So this will be the next resistance, guys, for GFT. Just wait for the price to reach this level and a possible short position around here. This is super huge. I will not be trading this chart. All right, so that's for GFT, guys. I will not be trading this kind of chart. Let's check USTC. All right, this will be our last chart for today. Same with USTC. I'm not gonna trade this in. Not gonna trade this chart, guys. So that's it for today. I will not be trading microcaps and USTC, and mostly I'm trading Bitcoin, Ethereum. For microcaps, it's purely highly speculative and super high risk to trade. This kind of chart, I will not be trading this chart. In the perpetual chart as well, super high risk. Look at this kind of wicks here. I will not be trading this kind of chart. So I think that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to support the channel, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and of course, leave some comments in the comment section down below if you have any questions, clarifications, or any comments or jokes. Post it in the comment section down below. I'm reading most of your comments, and advance happy weekend. And I hope we should. I hope we'll see a Santa rally for Bitcoin. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining me. Trade safely, protect your assets at all times, and I'll see you on the next one.